Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 20 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more modes of this camera, and one of this is the watermark mode, so let's pick it. Here we are, now we can see here the first of watermarks with the time and date. By sliding to the right, we can see the other ones. We can pick between 15 of them. We can also tap to this button, the second from the right, to see all of them on two sides and pick whatever we need. When we tap on this watermark, any of them, of course, we can move it and place it at our picture anywhere we need. Also, when we use two fingers, we can make it bigger or smaller. So this is really easy. And this is how it works here. You can pick whatever you need. Thanks for watching, have a good fun. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.